Welcome to EQ Tracker. This tutorial is a brief introduction to the EQ Tracker app. To use the app, you'll need to register. To register, just fill out this registration form, agree to the privacy policy and the terms of use, and submit. If you've already registered, enter your email and password and log in. This will take you to the home page. From here, you can do a check-in, complete maintenance or repair, see a list of all your machines, or view all your machines on the map. There's also a drawer menu that helps you to navigate throughout the app. Let's start with a check-in. To complete a check-in, you'll go to the check-in list. This gives you a list of all your machines and their most current check-in. Shows you the machine name, the address, and the current operating hours. To complete a check-in, you'll click the check-in icon, enter the current hours on the machine, and update the location. You can either use the previous check-in location, your current location, which will take the location off your phone, or enter an address, and submit. If you press on the map arrow, this will take you to the map and show you the location of that one machine. Next, we'll look at maintenance and repair. This list shows you the maintenance due for all your machines. It tells you the machine name, the maintenance needed, the part number, the machine's operating hours, the maintenance interval, and when the maintenance is due. To complete a maintenance, you click on the wrench icon, enter the machine's current hours. If you need to, you can update the location or add notes and submit. You can also filter this list by machine. If you select the machine that you'd like to see and slide to the left and click the filter, this now shows you maintenance just due for that one machine. You can hit the X if you'd like to exit the filter. You can also edit due hours, or you can go to the map and see the location of any of these machines. You can also view repairs. This repairs list is the same as maintenance, except for repairs are tracked by due date. To complete a repair, it's the same as maintenance. Enter hours, check or update location, and you can add notes. You can also go to the map. You can also apply the filter. And if you toggle between maintenance and repair with the filter on, it will show you the filter for each machine, or the filtered list for each machine. And that's it for maintenance and repair. Now we'll look at machines. If you're a new user, this list will be blank. There'll be a prompt that lets you know that you need to add machines. To do that, you click on the plus sign. This will take you to the Add Machine page. You enter the machine's details. Any notes that may apply. And I'll be talking about the parts list in the next video. And press Save. Once you've added a machine, that machine will need to be checked in. Go to the check-in. You'll see a prompt letting you know that the machine needs to be checked in. and you'll do the machine's initial check-in. So you'll enter the machine's current operating hours and location. Since there's not a previous check-in, you can either use your current location or enter an address and submit. When you go back to the machines, you'll see that your machine has been updated. So your list, once you've added all your machines, should look something like this. It has the machine's name and the machine's location. If you click on the map arrow, it will take you to the map and show you the location of that machine. You can also click on the machine to look at the machine's details. We'll tell you the machine's name, serial number, make, model, year, any notes that have been applied, and the machine's current operating hours. Again, we'll look at the parts list in the next video. You'll also see the machine's history. If there's been any maintenance or repair done on the machine, it will show up on this list. If you click on it, it will let you know who created the maintenance, who completed it, and if there are any notes taken at the time of the maintenance. If you need to delete a machine, you slide the machine to the right, and you can delete it. And confirm. Now we'll look at parts. If you click here, it'll take you to your parts list. If you're a new user, this page will be blank, except for a prompt asking you to add a new part. To do that, you click on the plus sign. From this page, you can select whether you'd like to add a scheduled maintenance or an unscheduled repair. We are going to start with a scheduled maintenance. So enter the part name and number and a description and the maintenance interval for that part. If this item can be applied to all machines, you can select all machines, or if you want to select a specific machine, you can select a specific machine. If it can be applied to more than one machine, you can select more than one. This list has been updated with the machines you've selected, and then submit. You'll see that your part has been added to the parts list. And if you go to the maintenance and repair, you can see that there's been a maintenance scheduled for that part at that part's interval hours. Now we will do a repair item. To schedule a repair, you will select repair item. Because it's not a scheduled maintenance, you won't have a maintenance interval. You enter this name and part number and a description. And if it will apply to all machines, you can select all machines, or you can select specific machines. Again, if it will apply to more than one, you can select more than one, and done. This list is updated with the machines that your repair item is applied to. And submit. Applying, you can now see that your repair item is on the list. Applying a repair item to machines does not automatically schedule a repair. To schedule a repair, you go into the machines list, to the machine that item was applied to, and you click repair. This will show you the different repair items that have been applied to that machine. You select the one that you want to schedule, and you select a due date. And when you press done, it will tell you that a repair has been scheduled. And if you go to the maintenance and repairs list, you will see that your repair has been scheduled and the date that it's due. You can also schedule maintenance and repair from the machines list. If you click on the machine and go to the machine details, you'll see a list of all the items that have been applied to that machine. You can edit the list by clicking on the plus sign, and you can select or deselect machines or repairs. This list will be updated, and so will the maintenance list. To add a repair from machines list, you select repair. You see the add repair item, and this process is the same. You'll fill out the repair item and submit. And then to schedule that repair, you'll go to the schedule repair page. That item would be added to your list. You'd select it and a date and press done. If any repairs that you've added will be added to this page. If you'd like to erase an item, you can slide to the right and erase it and confirm. And that's it for parts. Now we'll look briefly at the map. Select map. This will show you the map with the location of all your machines. If you click on one of the machines and then onto the callout, it will show you the machine's details. Now we'll do a brief walkthrough of settings. This is where you'll see your profile. You can update it if you need to. As the owner of a group, you will see your group information, and this is also where you'll invite a member to your group. Just enter their name and email and press send, and they'll get an email with a link to join EQ Tracker app as a member of your group. This is a list of your current members. These people have basic access to your app. They can complete a check-in or create or complete a maintenance or repair item, or maintenance or repair. To delete a member, you just slide to the right and delete and confirm. You can also share the app. If you know someone in the industry that would benefit from the EQ Tracker app, you can enter their email and press send, and they'll get a link to the EQ Tracker website. And that's it. Thanks for joining us.